Hi everyone and welcome back. We're going to do frittata. I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. Basic ingredients then, eggs. There's 2 of us, 3 eggs each, so 6 eggs. Some Parmesan cheese, spring onions, red onions and peppers. Simple, easy recipe. Let's get stuck in. So 6 eggs in. Just whisk those up. Pinch of salt and pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grate in some Parmesan cheese, just to give it a little bit more texture. And then we can get over to the stove then and start pulling it all together. Red onions are going in just to cut through. Some red pepper. Let's add that egg mix. Let's add some more Parmesan on top, and because I'm not a fan of undercooked eggs, we'll cook that until it's all nice brown and fluffy, hopefully, on the top. And now into the oven. There we go guys, one frittata. Looks pretty good to me. We're going to sit down and eat it. If you like this, like and subscribe. Make sure to keep up with my content, which is changing every week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.